Hey everybody, Mr. Gibson here. So for this assignment, you're going to start exploring the idea of photosynthesis, and the way we're going to do that is through a gizmo, but it's not like the gizmo you're used to doing. It's one of these STEM cases that we've done in the past. So you may remember that these STEM cases, what they do is they kind of drop you into a real world scenario, and you're trying to find the solution or the answer to some kind of problem going on in real life. And through you finding that solution or finding the answer, it's going to teach you about a concept. And so today, you are playing the role of a marine biologist, learning about photosynthesis in order to help scientists in Australia figure out why all the coral in the Great Barrier Reef is what's called bleaching. And you're going to learn what that means, okay? And what this is going to do is as you try and solve that problem, you are going to learn the concepts of photosynthesis, okay? So, first of all, this assignment is a little bit long. STEM cases can take a little while. So I'm giving you 2 days to do it. And what I recommend is that you work your way through like the introduction and the handbook on the first day, and then finish the rest of the like the conclusions and all of that, and the concept map on the second day. Okay, so here's how you're going to get started. You're going to go to the Gizmo website. Okay, you're going to log in, just like you're seeing me do. Okay, once you're logged in, you're going to go to your class period. So if you're in third period, you're going to go to third period. And you're going to scroll down here to the bottom, and you're going to launch the photosynthesis STEM case. Okay, now this will look a little bit different from you because this is the teacher point of view. But this is going to walk you through, there's some music. It's going to walk you through like a briefing about the coral reef, some history, the symptoms, and it's going to walk you through the handbook about photosynthesis, okay? Once you've done all of this, once you've gone through, the background, the handbook, the symptoms, control data, experiment review, and finally your conclusions, you do not have to turn anything in from Gizmo because I get a report of whether or not you've completed the STEM case and which questions you got right and which you got wrong. But what you will turn in is back over here. So once you've completed the STEM case, to kind of fully explain each step of photosynthesis, you are going to fill out what's called a concept map. So here it is. Here we've got photosynthesis, and we've got all these branches coming off of the word photosynthesis. And so you're going to talk about the inputs and the outputs of photosynthesis, okay? Then you're going to talk about the two big steps of photosynthesis and how those are broken down, okay? So you've got like the light dependent reactions, the light independent reactions, the Calvin cycle, all that stuff. The inputs, you would have water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. Outputs, you'd have glucose and oxygen, and so on and so forth. And you're going to use that handbook, and I kind of just gave you part of the key, which is fine. You're going to use that handbook from the STEM case to fill in these boxes with Cami. You're going to open this up with Cami, create text boxes, and type into these bubbles here, okay? And this is going to show you kind of, there's a lot of information in the STEM case, and this concept map is going to show you what information I expect you to know for your upcoming quiz on photosynthesis, okay? So two things, you're going to work your way through the STEM case all the way till it's finished. And I know in the past we've stopped there, but I've added on a concept map this time, and that's part of the reason I'm giving you 2 days to do this assignment, because it is a lot. And this concept map will help you kind of summarize your thoughts and summarize the knowledge you've gained from solving the problem in the STEM case. All right? If you guys have any questions at all or get stuck on anything or not sure what to put in the concept map, absolutely feel free to email me, and I'll help you however I can. All right, guys, good luck.